Wow, today I've got luxury dripping from every part of this home. I can't wait to show it to you. This is Heather, and I'm definitely helping you find your best beach life with this one. Let's go.
There's no room for us. There's no room. Now our lives are changing.
Luxury details you'd expect at the beach, starting with this waterfall island. You have the beautiful, expansive island, and these details such as the backsplash and these extended cabinets are just right. Modern coastal finishes with this light and airy space and lots of sunshine. Come on in. I want you to see this sexy coastal bathroom. So much space. Nice, large, modern shower. You've got these beautiful mirrors with a little touch of light and a luxury touch for the most mundane tasks. This loft offers so much more space, and it's just as grand as the rest of the home. 4 beds, 3 baths, 2 ensuites downstairs. The luxury details even in a 3rd bath.
You can't sleep lately, but what about me? I'm sorry.
So don't forget to give me a call when you're heading to our area. No matter what you want to see, I can definitely help you out in finding this beach life. All right, talk to you later. Bye.